Okay, and finally, Shravan, on to our third debate now. It's been 4 days of swelling crowds led by Congress leaders in their Padyatra. And it's not just the Congress alone, different pictures coming in from Karnataka. Yes, the Congress is pushing ahead with its super spreader Padyatra, but there are other leaders who are also, trying to catch up with the Congress party, other parties, other leaders. We have more details. In fact, what's surprising also is about this super spreader Padyatra. Two of the leaders who are part of the Padyatra have tested positive, Shravan. And many more FIRs have been filed, but still the Congress is going ahead.
Well, in fact, tonight, Niranjan, will be the voice of the citizens, because at the end of the day, it is they who bear the brunt of India's rising caseload. But our netas are blind to the common man's sufferings as they come together, as if to mock India's battle against coronavirus. Now, it's time that the politicians learn to play by the rules like all of us, and tonight, we are going to question them.
The Congress party's Padyatra hasn't stopped. They march on with one violation after another. Look again how children were made a part of the event during COVID. The super spreader Padyatra has seen two Congress leaders test positive, senior ones at that, but it hasn't stopped the event.
A case has been registered again today at Satnur police station against 41 Congress leaders, including KPCC President DK Shivkumar, on carrying out Padayatra in Kanakpura. Despite a notice which was been issued by NCPCR on engaging children in the Padayatra, the Congress leaders have not learnt any lesson.
In the last few days, these visuals of thousands of people, mostly unmasked and marching for a political cause, when most of India has imposed restrictions, has sent shockwaves across India.
As per law, pandemic and disaster management law will take it. We are concerned about his health. He is only concerned about politics. And the way he has criticized our health minister and home minister, it is unbecoming of a leader.
A second FIR has been filed today against DK Shivkumar, the leader who is leading the Padyatra and refused to get tested for COVID.
I'm fit, fine. You can't compel me. I know the law of this land. You tell your home minister, I'm perfect. Our health is home minister, health minister, chief minister. ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 15 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ತುಪ್ಪಾಟ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂಚೂರು ಜಗ್ಗಿದ್ದೀನಾ? I'll not do any test.
It's, however, not limited to one party or one state. Former Minister and Mining Baron Janardhan Reddy celebrated his birthday with his family member Sriramulu, a minister, and BJP MLA Somshekhar Reddy. Seen here visiting a temple by violating COVID protocols and government orders. Just like in Maharashtra, where COVID rules were flouted by Maharashtra's Health Minister MOS Rajendra Patil. It's a problem that netas feel they're above everyone else and are not accountable for the same rules they want citizens to comply with.